Hello everyone, my name is Soham. So in this Python tutorial we are going to see how to convert speech into text. So let's get started. So first I am going to import speech recognition library. So after that I am going to initialize the recognizer class and I am going to assign it to my R variable. So I am going to initialize SR and I am going to initialize recognizer class. So now I'm going to use my microphone as a source and I'm going to convert the audio from my microphone into text. So for that I'm going to write with so.microphone class as a source SOURCE. So now I'm going to write print recording starts. So after that I'm going to use audio text label and I'm going to listen to the source. So next, once it is completed, I'm going to print end of the recording. Once I execute this block, it will start to record the voice and it is going to convert it into the text. So how are you? So it is ended. So if I want to print this one, now I'm going to use Google Recognize to convert my audio into text. So now I'm going to use exceptional handling in case API is unreachable. So I'm going to write try and I'm going to print the conversion and I'm going to put a plus sign and I'm going to write recognize underscore Google and I'm going to pass my audio variable here, which is audio text. So I will write except block. I'm just going to print try again. So once I run this one, you can see here my audio is converted to text. So I have recorded the audio as a how are you. So now it is converted to text. So this is how you can use the Google Recognize to convert your audio to a text. Now if you want to convert this translation to any language, you can also do that by specifying the language. So now I'm going to print translate over here and I'm going to put a plus sign and I'm going to again use a recognize underscore Google and I'm going to use my audio text as an input. Now you can specify a language that you want this text to be converted. I'm going to convert it to Hindi. So I'm going to copy the language code over here, and I'm going to paste my language code and I'm going to execute it. Once it is executed, you can see the translation in Hindi. So this is how we can convert audio to text in Python. Thank you for watching.